This is Locomotive 4627, once a proud workhorse of the New South Wales railway system, and now sitting here at Lithgow in a very sorry state. Rust creeps across its once strong body, paint has faded to a shadow of its original colour, and smashed windows expose the cabs to the weather, and to the local wildlife. But behind this decay lies a story of innovation, transition and preservation. "4627 is one of the famous 46 class locomotives, a fleet of 40 electric engines built in the United Kingdom during the mid-1950s and shipped out to New South Wales. They were the first mainline electric locomotives for Sydney, introduced at a time when steam still dominated. For many, they symbolised the future, clean, powerful and modern. This locomotive, number 4627, rolled onto the rails in the mid-1950s. For decades, these machines worked tirelessly on the electrified lines, hauling heavy passenger and freight trains through Sydney and across the Blue Mountains. They were tough, reliable and strong. Drivers often said nothing quite matched the pulling power of a 46, although the cabs were uncomfortable. Step inside today and it's a very different story. The cabs have been left open to the elements. Smashed glass, bird droppings and rusted fittings tell the tale of years exposed without protection. Many of the internal components were removed long ago to keep other locomotives running, leaving 4627 an empty shell. Up on the roof, the pantographs, once drawing 1500 volts of electricity from the overhead wires, sit idle. These were the lifeblood of the 46s, turning electrical energy into raw tractive power. 4627's current condition is the result of long storage outdoors, including years at the now defunct Hunter Valley Railway Trust. By 2013, the loco's future looked grim, but that's when the Sydney Electric Train Society stepped in, purchasing 4627 to save it from the scrapyard. The 46 class holds a special place in New South Wales rail history. They marked the transition from the age of steam to the electric era. For nearly half a century they were a common sight on the wires, hauling everything from commuter trains to coal drags. Today, 4627 may look beyond saving, but there is hope. SETS has already begun early restoration work. With the help of fundraising, grants and volunteers, the plan is to repair the bodywork, restore the locomotive to its bogies, repaint it and eventually place it on public display. So while 4627 rests quietly here at Lithgow, its story isn't over. This tired hulk once represented progress and power, and thanks to the dedication of preservationists, one day it may again stand as a proud symbol of New South Wales electric railway heritage. If you'd like to support the restoration of Locomotive 4627, you can find out more on the Sydney Electric Train Society website, Facebook page, or by donating through their Try booking page. Every little bit helps bring this giant back from the brink.
I boarded a carriage of doubt and fear, through tunnels of shadows, the path unclear. But in the darkness, a light began to shine. The wrong track led me to a fate divine. Sometimes the wrong train can take you to the right place. A winding road can still lead to grace. Every detour has a story to tell. Sometimes getting lost can break the spell. The rails may twist, the miles may ache, but every turn is a step we take. Through the chaos, a map is drawn. What feels so wrong?
If you liked that video, why not check out this one? Until next time, remember, sometimes the wrong train can take you to the right place.
Sometimes the wrong train can take you to the right place. A winding road can still